It happens that diet pills cause side effects. There are, fortunately, drugs free from this defect, such as Keto Guru. What is different about this supplement on the background of competing products? The boom in diet pills lasts continuously for many years. Today almost all of us want to be fit and have a flawless figure. Overweight is obsolete. How much, however, effective popular are drugs for weight loss available in pharmacies and internet sales? As it turns out, a significant portion of them not only fails to produce any noticeable effects, but, on the contrary, harmful to the body. The exception to this rule is diet pills Keto Guru, based on unique formula. Keto Guru ketogenic diet without the side effects. Effervescent tablets Keto Guru is designed for people on the keto diet, hence the first part of the name. This fatty foods poor in carbohydrates. The lack of these latter causes a number of adverse symptoms: lethargy, chronic fatigue, problems with concentration, lack of desire for physical activity. That's the price you pay for quick weight loss. But those negative symptoms, to avoid swallowing regular tablets Effervescent Keto Guru. Their task is to support the body during ketosis, lack of carbs in body cells. Using Keto Guru, you can include in your diet foods rich in carbohydrates. The pills stimulate the body to faster fat burning. Remember, however, to observe moderation. How are effervescent tablets Keto Guru? Ketogenic diet deprives the body of sufficient for the normal functioning of the amount of carbohydrates, which leads to the above described symptoms. This process is called ketosis. In the process of ketosis, the body burns its own fat for energy, which we get from food. Weight loss is therefore only in the reduction of body fat. Muscles remain intact. Ketosis under normal conditions only starts after 2 to 3 weeks from the time of switching to a diet style. And when using Keto Guru, this process starts after only 2 hours. The number of ketone bodies increases even if the concentration of carbohydrates in the body and the risk of side effects is significantly lower. It is sufficient to take 1 tablet a day to eliminate side diet keto and enhance its effectiveness. The ketogenic diet, as we mentioned, is intended to enter the body in a state of ketosis, that is energy from fat and not from carbohydrates. It is necessary to consume foods high in fat and low in carbohydrates. Thus, we avoid food, pasta, cereals, rice, potatoes or bread. We also exclude candy, sweet desserts, white sugar, vegetables and fruits containing starch. We consume it in vegetable oil, olive oil, coconut oil and animal fats, lard and butter. It is also possible to eat are rich in fats, seeds and nuts. Permitted vegetables and fruits with a low glycemic index which do not contain too many carbohydrates: broccoli, cauliflower, lettuce, spinach, green cucumbers, berries, and especially avocado, which is one of the richest sources of healthy fat. It should be noted that the ketogenic diet should be fairly balanced, so it is best to consult your meal plan with a dietitian. Self-styling the menu could prove to be catastrophic in its consequences. The ketogenic diet is recognized as one of the most effective diets, but the sudden discontinuation of carbohydrates without a skilled compensation of the shortage of fats was always associated with risk. The use of drugs, such as Keto Guru, allows to significantly reduce the risk almost to zero. Contained in Keto Guru, the active components reduce the fatigue due to the lack of carbs, eliminate fatigue and drowsiness, give the body the necessary nutrients. Go to official website and read the information about the product. Many people have decided to share their opinions so that others can also use the power of this product. In addition to the product description, which the manufacturer provides us, it is worth reading the opinions of people who used it. Interestingly, according to expert reviews, Keto Guru fares very well compared to other products with similar composition and properties. Despite the wide market offer, there is currently no product on sale that could match Keto Guru. Effervescent tablets Keto Guru not available neither in pharmacies nor in other online stores. Original product buy only on the official website of the manufacturer.